Now we're moving on to Unit 12 and we're learning the piece called Easy Quavers. This is an introduction to quavers or eighth notes. So remember that a quaver or an eighth note is half a beat or half the value of a crotchet. Okay, it has a little tail on the end, so that's how you know it's a quaver or an eighth note. Okay, two quavers beamed together look like this. So it's like the tails join together and form a bridge, and that's how you know that they are quavers. So they are half the value of a crotchet. Okay, so I hope you already tried practicing tapping some of the rhythms. It's really going to be helpful before you start playing with these. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to play easy quavers. Then we're going to practice and play with the rhythm. Ready? Let's play. Right, now let's practice easy quavers. Are you ready? Let's play. Now it's time to play with the rhythm. Let's listen to the music, and when you're ready, let's play. Let's play. Did it! Well done! Are you ready to move on, or should we try it one more time?